Horse sausages. Here we go. Today, we will walk into Tianmu County together. Take a look at how we make horse sausages here. They use fresh horse meat into the sausages, and then it's smoked. How many smokers are there in total? I see it's all here, and there are 11 smokehouses. Every smokehouse can hold tons of sausages. If we use all of our 11 smokehouses at once, it can hold more than 11 tons of sausages. Check out this smoker. It's smoked to perfection. Only use the best horse meat. Hello, Guli, Monsieur, and Monsieur Horse Sausage. Been too long? We are all waiting for you.
Big welcome. People here love to eat fresh horse meat.
Ha! I only eat horse sausages. Wow, look, it's all full.
It's all apple wood down there.
Can't you use other wood?
No other wood will do. Only apple wood can bring out the aroma of horse meat.
A lot of people don't know. How do you make this horse sausages?
Fresh horse meat is first divided into workshops, then organize the horse meat into large chunks. Marinate with our secret sauce for 12 hours.
Wow, what's next?
And then we insert it manually into sausages. The uncles and cousins in the village work here, and also my father-in-law and my mother-in-law. They come to help when they have time. We also eat by ourselves, so we never add any preservatives like others. We have a responsibility here.
Let me tell you, brothers, many people have never eaten horse sausages. It's not like beef jerky. This is made from raw meat. Take it back and cook it for 2 hours. When you eat it, it has a faint aroma of fruity wood. I see so many horse sausages in here.
We only make this manually, so each is different. There will be more or less depends on the situation. We just cut some horse meat and stuff it in. Haha, I wish all is 1 kilogram exactly.
These stuffed sausages are already arranged. I have to pull it to that smoker for smoking. And this is a row of smoked horse sausages. Look at this color. It's yellow and bright. My favorite part is here. Just cook it for 2 hours. You don't need to put anything in it. It's already nicely smoked for you. Okay, smell the fragrance.
These horse sausages are so ripe.
Gotta eat it with some appetizers together.
This one, the oily cover with the shell.
Let's try one right now. Thank you. Thank you. Some people like to eat oily. Some people like to eat more meat. The ratio of fat to meat is 2 to 8 ratio. The optimum ratio of oil to meat. I like my sausage oily. This is our Guli brand. The horse sausages we are now eating. This is new packaging. The ancient fruit wood smoked written on it. Look at its ingredient list. Take a look. Only this fresh horse sausage. Just salt, seasoning, and the meat. Is this authentic Kazakh practice? Eat it together with all the side dishes. Wow. I'll make one for everyone. Our Xinjiang Kazakh hamburgers. I went to a Kazakh house before and learned to eat like this. You should try it.
Okay, I'll try that.
Keep this for a photographer. Okay. They said for a long time they also want to eat. They are really hungry watching us eat. Don't worry. We will save some. A little lean meat with horse sausage. It's a piece of meat. Not minced meat, visible to the naked eye.